What's up, everybody? So today what we're gonna be doing is last video we finished the painting process. We're gonna remove everything out of here. I gotta clean the paint booth because every time I paint it's a mess. So it's gonna take me a while to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And we got bad news to share with you guys. Alright, I got everything out from in the paint booth. So I can finally take it down after I'm gonna do a little more cleaning. And as far as this is the original paint of the fender, because as you can see this is not the shark fender. Paint wise it's much pretty good, so that's pretty good. It came out pretty nice. So yeah, that's what we got. We painted a lot of things, so yeah, it's pretty nice. Kinda excited to put it on the car. The bad news we got is today's Sunday. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is a drift event, right? Again, every year I try to not be last minute, but last minutes. Took the car other day, right, to get tuned, and now for some reason with new ECU, my car cuts out at like 5500 RPM. It won't go past. So something wrong, and we don't know what. And we came to the conclusion that we still gonna get a trigger kit anyway and see, but you know, he used to work, so he's trying to figure it out right now. So hopefully we hear from him. If not, you know, it is what it is. Can't drive the, you know, coming up weekend, but I still need to test the car before the final bout, so we will figure it out. I guess meanwhile he can't figure it out. I guess we gotta take out the Skyline, so at least I can do some kind of drift event. So could use some drift event right now, you know. Alright guys, so after that I went to go get dinner and I just came back because at dinner my tuner called me. He said he made it work, he figured it out. So okay, so today it's Sunday, 7:28 right now, March 8th. So I'm leaving my house right now to go pick up the car, so it'll be here at midnight by the time I get home. I'm getting old, I shouldn't be doing this, but I should go get the car so I be able to work on the car tomorrow. So yep, let's go get it. Alright boys, we are back at Nick's 10 o'clock at night because he called me with good news. Car is done, so let's pick this thing up and then safely bring it home. Okay, so we got the car back in the garage. Pretty muddy outside because all this nice weather and then snow melting, but we got the mess right now. But we got the fenders, you know, bumpers and side skirts and stuff like that. So we are ready to put that on the car soon. So as you see, if you look at it, it's all the wires from the trunk to going to the cast. And then that was really the reasoning why my car was no. So it was cutting boost after like 5500 RPM. And then tuner Nick figured it out. So right now it's sitting on the E85. We made a lot of powers. I'm gonna play some clip after this. Yeah, it's so right now it's 425, right? And if, as you guys remember, we made a switch. By flipping the switch, it's gonna be 475. So that's a lot of horsepower, so pretty excited to try them out this weekend now. But we do have a lot of work to do because yeah, now we gotta fix the wiring and all that. Today is Monday ending, so we got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So really such a short day that we gotta get this thing done. So let's do it. moved the car on the left. Joe is doing the magic. Jesus is doing some headlight work to fitment. We got Matt over there doing the under panel installment right there. We got the front one done. Looks good. Yeah. And I'm doing the side skirts now over there and do the other one like here. And then we can finally put it on the car. Hi guys, we finished the bottom under panel on that, under panel on that. So we had starter broken on this car. Alright, he finished cutting up the bumper. We're gonna test this thing on there. We're good to go. We gotta cut the fender a little more too actually. Like right there. But yeah, that's awesome weld right there. Wow. Good job, Joe. So we got a bump stop we made. You know, so we've been hitting that thing.
Get the back
So
side of it, show the front side. Get a baseline where they need to be.
that's nice weld, Joe. Good job.
Bing bong.
Yeah, that's what we just did, little quick, so nice. Alright, bump stop is done. So hopefully no more hitting there. Nice job, nice weld. Alright, this side is done as well. So hopefully no more hitting that there also. Alright, everything is done. It's ready to come out of the lift, and then we're gonna put it right there. So we're gonna put the side skirts, and then we're gonna put the front bumpers, and ready to load it. Ready, and should be ready to go. Alright, car is moved out of the lift. And without the kit, it's nice already. But we're gonna put the side skirts over there. We got the bumper. Need a little more cutting and it will fit. So let's get this thing installed. Smokes, the side skirts does the job. Wow. Nice. Alright, let's get the other side on. So I have obviously, I don't have the blue one, but I will get the blue one eventually and put it on. And I have the bolts that goes on the side to be safe too. I gotta take it off the wheel, but just like now, that's good.
Oh, baby, we are back. You already know, R34 garage. Man, this fucking winter was crazy, bro. From grinding in the 240 to getting ready to drift season, boys. Oh, and we got a special surprise for you. You don't even know. We fucking went stupid. Like, I'm looking at it right now, and I'm like, what the fuck did we do, baby? Jeez. You ready to show him, Yuki?
I'm ready whenever.
Oh, shit. So right here, bro, we completely did the whole body kit, fenders, bumpers, side skirts. This rear end, bro. This car got a complete BBL, bro. This thing went straight to Brazil and came back brand new used. You heard? Bro, spoiler. We actually like welded some bolts, some nuts in the quarter panels and in the trunk, so that all this, in case he ever gets in a well, it's not if, it's when it happens, you know, drifting, he's gonna crash, shit's gonna hit, things gonna fly. So if we need to take off, remove stuff, and get to it, we can do it right on the fly with ribbon nuts. So everything is functional. In, out, in, out, in, out. The lights are now functional. My boy can drive this on the street. So, you know, man, this car's looking crazy. It's looking sexy. And I can't wait to see it tomorrow in action, baby.
Honestly, he covered everything. So for this winter was an awesome, crazy one. We did finish up the customer one. He's once we have tomorrow is actually a drift event, by the way. We are what time right now? It's about 9 o'clock. And we are be out there drifting tomorrow like we're gonna be there like 7:30 also. So we still gotta load it up. But you know what? I'm excited, honestly. Like we put all the effort, right? And it shows. You know, this is how we do stuff. You know what I'm saying? So this year we're gonna go final boat. So I kind of like little stepped up, and as tomorrow, so we did on the over the winter, right? We did a lot like transmissions. We did new clutch, put new gearing, which is 4.9, 3.5 to 4.9 is a completely game change. So obviously tomorrow I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna take off the kit. We're gonna test drive it. You know, make sure everything works before I'm gonna start handling it. So yeah, I'm excited. So for over this winter, we did a lot of work. You know, the video that you seen it right there is speak itself. So if you guys really enjoy our content and you know like it, just give us a comment, subscribe, share, and then I'll see you guys on next video.